Now to the third stanza, continuation from sixth line. Blend with your images, it shall arise in memory, till the hot tears blind my eyes. What is that dirge-like murmur that I hear, like the sea breaking on a single beach? It is the tree's lament, an airy speech, that haply to the unknown land may reach. Blend with your images, it shall arise in memory. Blend means combine with your images. Whose images? The Casuarina tree is blent with the memories, the images of her brother and sister. The memory is heartbreaking. The memory of her brother and sister Arbu and Aru is heartbreaking. And so she says that it is heartbreaking, and so the hot tears are coming from her eyes, which makes her blind. Blend with your images, it shall arise in memory. Whose memory? In the poet's memory. Memory of the siblings. Whose siblings? The Torutat's siblings. Blend with your images, it shall arise in memory, till the hot tears blind my eyes. She is very close to the memories associated with the tree. She think of them playing with her under the tree. Time will pass, things will change, but her love and affection towards the tree will remain as such. Her imaginations are always mixed with the Casuarina tree and her siblings. These images shall live in her mind till her eyes are filled with tears. Look, how the poetess is playing with her brother and sister. Now to the next two lines. What is that dirge-like murmur that I hear, like the sea breaking on a shingle beach? Dirge. What is the dirge? Dirge means moaning song, like murmuring sound that I hear, like the sea breaking. Breaking means hitting on the shingle beach. Shingle means rocky beach. The poetess now hears a noise in her imagination. It resembles the sea waves hitting against the rocks on the seashore. The soft murmur sounds like a lament. She synchronizes on the seashore with her memory, and which causes a strange and fearful feeling in her mind. Though in the same way the memory is collected to this tree and connected to this tree causes her to weep. The voice is compared to the song sung at the time of the funeral. Airy means funeral song. Now the poet says that she is greatly moved to think of the tree. Their tree, mourns her loss like hitting the waves against rocks on the beach. What is the dirge-like murmur? Here, dirge-like murmur signifies that the tree shares sad moments of the poetess and mourn along with her. The poetess is greatly moved to the thinking of the tree who is lamenting along with her. The voice of the mourning of the tree is very low. It is the tree's lament, an airy speech, that haply to the unknown land may reach. Haply means perhaps it reaches the unknown lands. Here the poet where she lives, it reaches there. The tree's lamentation reaches where the poetess lives, like the sea waves strike against the small pebbles on the seashore. It causes a strange voice. In the same way, the memories collected by the poetess to this tree causes her to weep. The poetess is greatly moved to think of the tree. She thinks as if the tree is lamenting. See, tree is mourning. Tree is murmuring, it is crying. The voice of mourning of the tree is very low. This voice is compared with the song. It is sung at the time of funeral. This the poet says. Now, the poetess says that the murmur of the wailing and whining of the grief-stricken, that is sad, cast in a tree, reaches her even though she was in foreign country. Now we can move for the comprehensive questions. What is the tree blent with? The tree is blent with the childhood memories of Taro Dutt. Whose memories did the poetess say? Her memories playing under the tree with her siblings. How did she feel when her memories arose? She felt very painful. What is dirge-like murmur? Dirge-like murmur signifies that the tree shares sad moments of the poetess and mourn along with her. What is airy speech? It is a strange speech. Why are the poet's eyes filled with hot tears? The memory of the Casuarina tree fills her eyes with hot tears. What do you mean by she breaking the shingle beach? It signifies that the tree is also in grief, deep grief over the sad demise of the poet's siblings. Thank you.